Now today I am going to tell you some interesting trick of multiplication so that you would be able to do a multiplication of 3 digits number in just 5 seconds. My multiplication trick is based on Shakuntala Devi's principle. What format you have to remember? Just remember the symmetry pattern. Straight line, cross, crisscross, cross and again. This is the pattern we are going to follow from right to left. How will we do it? Let's see. Let's come to the first pattern. We will multiply these two numbers. 6 8s are 48. Now 48 we will write ones place digit here. Let me write some. Ones place digit here and 4 will be carried forward. Okay, this is done. Now I'll come to the second pattern. Cross. Cross means this and this. I will multiply this number with this and this with this. Let's see. 4 8s are 32. 6 3s are 18 and carry forward 4. I'll add all these numbers. So this is 54. 54 means I'll write down 4 and 5 will be carry forward. Just remove all this. 5 is carry forward. Now this pattern is done. Now I'll come to the third pattern, that is crisscross. Here 1 cross, 2 cross and 3 cross. I'll multiply these numbers. 6 2s are 12, 8 1s are 8 and 3 4s are 12 and carry forward 5. I'll add all these numbers. 20, let's calculate. 20, 32, 37. Write 7 over here and 3 will be carry forwarded. Now this pattern is also done. Let's come to the fourth pattern. This will be for these two, tens place and hundreds place. So cross will keep shifting from this. This is completely symmetry pattern, single, single, cross, cross and crisscross. Now I'll multiply 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3 and this carry forward 3. So this is 14. 4, write 4 here and 1 will be carry forwarded. Now coming to the fifth pattern, that is straight. Multiply these two numbers. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. This is your final answer. You can check with your calculator too. I have explained this, so I have taken this much long time, but once you start practicing you will take hardly 5 to 6 seconds to complete this calculation. Now taking one more example of 3 digits number. This is the pattern for 3 digit number. We'll move from right to left. First pattern, 8 multiplied by 1, 8, no carry forward. Okay. Come to the second pattern, crisscross. 8 5s are 40, 7 1s are 7, no carry forward, 47. Write 7 here, 4 will be carry forwarded. Now come to the third pattern, that is crisscross, this and this. 3 1s are 3, 6 8s are 48, 7 5s are 35 and 4 carry forwarded. So this is 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 2 carry, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 will be carry forwarded and 0 right here. Now come to the fourth pattern, that is cross again. Cross, 3 6s are 18, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 7 6s are 42 and 9 is carry forwarded. So this is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 plus 5, 66. So this 6 will be carry forwarded and write the other 6. Now come to the last pattern, that's it, that is straight. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 6 is 24. So this is going to be your answer.